In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your lost GoPro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about various different ways in which you will be able to find your lost GoPro. One of these is going to be incredibly convenient, but it should have been set up ahead of time, and the other one is just going to be general steps that might help you. So first, the simplest way to find a lost GoPro is going to be by using the Quick app. So if you had previously paired your GoPro with the Quick app, all that you have to do is open it up, and in there you would be able to manage your GoPro camera. By tapping on it, you will be able to see its status and if it is within Bluetooth or Wi-Fi range. This can be a good indicator, meaning that you are close to the camera. And if you tap on the settings, one of the device options is going to be locate camera or locate device. Once you toggle this on, the camera is going to start flashing a little LED, but most importantly, it is going to start beeping. So all that you have to do is be in close proximity. So if you see the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi blue icon, it means that you are close. And then once you toggle this option on, you will be able to listen for the beeps. Like I said, this is going to be by far the best option available. Now, the problem is if you didn't set this up before of time, or you simply are too far away and the Bluetooth signal is dying off, or you are unable to connect it in close proximity. If this is the case, then sadly, there is nothing that you can do to make this process easier. You will have to check your last known location and retrace your steps where you last remember having the camera. Look around, try to look at the ground on any sort of holes that you see, and try to find it there. Because this feature isn't the best and you should have set it up ahead of time, there is not much else that you can do besides just searching on the last known area where you used your GoPro. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your lost GoPro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.